Hey, good morning, guys. What's going on? Hey, I'm going to get right into it. And as you can see, we have Amrn right in front of you. AMRN is the ticker symbol. We have a 56% buy rating of the stock right now from Robinhood, and we have the daily chart up right now. What we're going to do is highlight that. We have positive 5 cents for the day, or positive 1.21%, and then when it comes to after hours, we're up positive 3 cents or positive 0.54% overall. Weekly, we have a negative 48-cent drop or negative 9.41% over the past week. Monthly, negative $1.40 or negative 23.26% over the past month. 3 months, we're down negative $3.88 or negative 45.63%. And over the year, we're down negative $2.91 or negative 38.65%. So I want to go ahead and get right into it, kind of show you what's going on with my trade with Amrn. We've picked up 200 shares at an average cost of $5. As you can see, it's 12.29% of my portfolio diversity, and today's return, or as of Friday, return was negative $76 or negative 7.60%, and our total return is the same thing, negative $76 or negative 7.60%, right? So we spent $1,000, and right now the price is $924, so we lost $76 overall, correct? So as we scroll down, I want to actually give you some context of how we got into these trades, and tell you that, hey, we haven't just bought 1,000 shares and we're now negative $76. What we actually did is we did some cash secured puts, and we actually was assigned on the second one that we did. So pretty much, as you can see right here, 430 was a cash secured put for $5. We went in and we had 3 contracts, which means we put up $1,500. We received $45 up front. The put expired worthless at the end of that week, which was that Friday. So we received $45 up front and did not have to purchase those shares. We then decided the next week to go back in, do another cash secured put, ended it on the 7th. We received $18 up front, but this time we only did 2 contracts, or $1,000, right? Because it's going to be 2 contracts for 200 shares at $5, which is going to be $1,000, right? So now when we add up the $45 and it's $18, we're going to click on the calculator and we're going to say, all right, 45 plus 18, it gives us $63 up front. So we now have received $63 for this particular deal for Amrn. This is what we received up front. So if you know that if you had just decided to buy at $5 and it dropped down to the price that is at now, $4.62, you would be negative $76, and you haven't received any extra cash on top of it. So you would just be out of $76 right now and waiting for the price to go back up in value, or you would have to buy more shares at a lower cost to kind of average your average cost down, right? So in our case, we've received $63. So what we're going to do is say 63 minus 76, which is going to give us negative $13. So right now, overall, we're actually negative $13 when it comes to this particular trade, right? So that's not too bad. That's way better than being negative 76 for the people that actually bought at 5. So we're negative 13. So what do we do to get ourselves out of the negative amount and actually pick up more money? So we're going to go ahead and push the calculator down, and we're going to go ahead and click on trade Amrn options, right? So we already own the 200 shares. Our next thing that we're going to do is click on sell. We have call, and we're going to change the expiration date from the 14th to the 21st. But before I do that, I want to kind of explain what's going on here. So we have a strike price. Strike price is the price that you are willing to sell your shares at. The break even amount is whatever amount they decide to give you that you pick, what is going to break even at. Like so $5.04, if it went above that, then whoever that you sold it to is going to make some money. But at $5.04 and below, that person will break even, right? So we have an 85.88% chance of profit, negative 42.86% change. They're showing you a negative 3 cent change in the value in terms of the price, right? So it's up to you to kind of figure out exactly which one you want. Obviously, 550 is offering 2 cents or $2. It's going to be based off 100 shares. So each contract is worth one contract is worth 100 shares, 2 contracts are going to be worth 200 shares, so on and so forth. Which means that if I buy 2 contracts of this, which I already own 1,000 shares, 2 contracts at $5 would be worth $1,000. So I'm going to go ahead and push on over to May 21st, which means that the contracts are not going to end until next Friday. So I'm going to give myself 2 weeks on this particular contract. Make sure that you're clicked on sell call. And in this case, and this is only for people that already own these particular shares, right? And now you're going to pretty much figure out whether or not you want to take the $5.50 or the $5. Now, for me, I'm good with taking the $5 because I got in at $5. I want to get the most money out of the deal and put myself back in the positive area, right? Because we're negative 13 cents right now. Once again, we're going to go at the $5 strike price, and they're going to give us 15 cents or $15 per 100 shares. In this case, I own 200 shares, which means they're going to give me $30. We'll go ahead and click, and we're going to click on continue, put 2 in, 15. As you can see, the minimum credit is $30. Now, I'm going to click on review order, but honestly, I've already put this one in, so it's going to tell me that I don't have enough cash, so on and so forth, possibly, right? So it said I'm agreeing to sell 200 shares of Amarin at $5 on or before May 24th. If you aren't asked to sell, the only thing I have to do is click on submit, right? So like I told you before, I've already submitted this trade, so I don't need to submit it a second time. We're just waiting for the market to actually go through and go from there, right? So that's if you already own the 200 shares and you're trying to receive a premium dollar amount from this particular deal. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, all right, man, we picked up $30 off this deal now, and we already know that we picked up $63 before, right? So we're at negative $13 for the whole deal, but if we sell at 5, if we're able to sell at 5, we're going to break even, which means we're going to keep our $63 plus the $30 you just paid us, and puts us at a positive $93. Positive $93. But at the same time, if we want to kind of do the math and say we didn't sell off at $5 right then, we know that we're a negative $13 on the deal. Well, remember, we just received $30, and we're just going to go 30 minus 13, and we'll be positive $17 just like that. So positive $17 just by doing this deal right here. And our hope would be that Amrn isn't going to continue to drop in value. And as you can see, as I'm talking, the price actually has dropped even more, right? So $4.59. So it's dropped like maybe 3 cents, 4 cents in value since I've been talking. So our hope is that once the market starts up, that this price is going to hold and that we can receive that $15 or $30 total for this particular deal, right? So this is only for people that already own 200 shares or more, and how they can actually collect some premium and waiting for the share price to kind of go back up to $5. Once again, if the share price doesn't hit $5 in that 2-week time frame, let's say next Friday, and it's not at $5, what's going to happen is it's going to expire worthless. You're going to keep the money that you receive, and you're still going to have your shares. And the only thing you're going to do at that point is repeat the process. And let's say you decide to put in for May 28th. Right now, they're saying they're willing to give you 14 cents for that, but this may change. It could be lower, it could be higher. And you could decide that you want to sell at the same price to get a little bit more money. Or, hey, if the price has went up in value, let's say it was at $4.80, you may decide that you want to go up to $5.50 and receive whatever monies they're going to be giving you at that point. Right now, they're saying, hey, I'm willing to give you 8 cents. It may change to 10, it may change to 14, this may change to 20. We don't know. It's just based off whether or not the price is going up or down. Anyway, hopefully you guys learned something from this particular thing. And what I'm going to do is click on a spreadsheet to kind of show you the deal. Amrn, sell call at the money. Current price, well, it was $4.65. Now it's less than that. Purchase price was $5. 200 shares cost me $1,000. Option strike price is $5. We're going to receive 15 cents per share for the option contracts, or a total of $30 up front. So The return on investment is $30 up front. Return on investment plus premium is $30 because we're doing at the money, which means we're selling at the price that we bought at. Purchase price $5, option strike price, the sell price is $5, which means return on investment is $1,030, right? We get our original $1,000 back, we receive $30 from this particular deal, and then we just add in the other $63 that we had already received in premium, which puts us at a positive $93. So we got our original $1,000 back plus $93 out the deal. How long did it take for us to do all of this? Maybe about 3 weeks or so, because we got assigned, you know. So right now we're positive $63-ish, or actually negative $13 or even more now. But at the end of this particular week, or today actually, we're going to receive $30, or we hope to receive $30, and it's going to put us in a positive range, right? We just got to wait it out for another 2 weeks to see what happens with the price of this particular stock, right? Our goal is that the stock price kind of goes back up but stays in between, doesn't hit that $5 range, so that we can go into this week, May 28th, and do the same thing and pick up a couple of more dollars. But we want to hopefully sell off those shares around May 28th at $5 or even at a higher price, so we can grab some monies from capital gains and like profits from capital gains, and actually keep our profits from the premiums that we receive. All right, so once again, you guys have a great day. Please like, subscribe, comment on the page, and anything I can do to help you, please let me know. Enjoy your day.